Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. So XRP's overall chart remains unchanged. Here, the idea is still that we could be in circle wave 3 to the upside, rather in the late stages. So it's a bullish structure we're tracking, especially as long as the $1.05 level is holding. I'm not saying we have to test $1.05, but that's the risk level. For now, we've seen a reaction to that breakout point, the previous breakout point, the 2021 high. And breakout point yesterday, this green line. So that level is represented by the green line. This green line was tested yesterday from above. And we could be still in circle 3, one more high possible. And we're going to take a look at that on the smaller time frame in a minute. Overall, however, even if we break below the green line, which would indicate short-term weakness, there is a Fibonacci support area that, let's say, protects the price from dropping further into a more bearish scenario, and that's between $1.05 and $1.79. But in the short term, the micro support levels on the smaller time frame are more relevant. But just want to make sure everybody is on the same page. Wanted to make sure that it's clear what my view is on the larger time frame. So we're still in the third wave, circle 3, and that's going to be my view until the market tells me something different is going on. Market can always change its mind, but based on what the market is doing right now, we can define the relevant parameters that the roadmap defines and that the market should adhere to if this really is the correct scenario. After wave 4 is done, then a wave 5 could take us into the $5 to $10 range based on what we see right now. Looking at the shorter time frame, price has formed an ABC structure to the downside. We really nicely completed this pullback. The C wave even formed all 5 waves we wanted to see. I'm going to remove the microstructure now. We don't need it anymore. But now that we've seen a successful retest of the green line, and now that we've seen a successful retest to the target area here in blue, the question is this already the breakout? You know, are we on our way to new all-time highs, or are we actually going to test all-time high levels around 330? There are the next resistance levels, right? That's the all-time high. Now, this really is too early to say. Certainly what I'm watching for is a bit more of a bounce, I think. We've seen a test of support, structural and Fibonacci support. We can remove that target area now, that previous target area. We don't need it. Do we need? I'll leave it for now. Maybe I'll remove it in the next video. And at the moment, the idea is, okay, we have a reaction. That reaction was too large to be clearly part of the initial decline, which is seen as an ABC structure that's complete. So at least I'd say a B wave bounce has started. So a 3-wave move down can always turn into a larger 3-wave move. A, B, C. So in that case, I'm watching now for a B wave, but even this B wave could go a little higher. A, B, C. And for this to happen, the price should ideally hold the $1.99 level. That's the 78.6 retracement of yesterday's rally. Even in a more bullish scenario, that level shouldn't be broken anymore. But there are additional support levels between 220 and 199. So we've got 220, 214, 207, and 199. This is ideally the area that we want the price to hold and then form at least one more high. If we, after this, what would be wave C in white is complete, get another higher low, well, then we're likely dealing with an extension, not an extension, and we're probably already in the 5th wave up of circle wave 3. But overall, the main takeaway was, okay, we have a 3-wave pullback. We're still watching for higher. We still have a 3-wave pullback. So the door to higher prices remains open. Now we even have a 3-wave move down complete that could represent all of that internal 4th wave. And yeah, the microstructure has followed the parameters quite nicely. What I can tell you is there's no guarantee yet for this pullback there that I just mentioned, right? Because it is possible, actually quite probable, that waves A or 1 form one more high. Then we actually have a 5-wave move, best I can tell. So either way, there is no guarantee that this pullback happens yet, but if it happens, this is the area where the buyers should ideally step in. And then I'm still looking for a larger bounce, possibly after one more pullback. I'll keep you updated about that. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. If you're interested in the membership, you can check out our channel page. There's a link to our website as well. And here you can watch the video that explains the memberships. Also, as a member, you get additional member-only videos. You get access to our weekly live stream. Yesterday, for example, we covered AVAX. As a gold member, if you upgrade to the gold membership, you can actually join our Discord server where you get all these benefits as well, plus much, much more. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.